Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another 3D video, and I have not engraved this. The time ran out today, and I just can't do it. I'm going to be a little busy tomorrow, but this is going to be pretty cool, I think. This is using the interactive fill tool. So I'm just going to show how I made this. I just started doing this the other day with this. I'm just going to draw what you would maybe call a petal. And I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go from that bottom to that top. I'm going to immediately change that top square to the lightest gray so it will all be good. And that's as far as I thought you could go with this. But no. You could click on right here and add more boxes. And you could take that one right there and make it a darker shade of black. You can click on that one and do a darker shade of black. You've got now a completely looking different blend of colors, and the possibilities are endless. Let's add one more. Let's move this block down a little bit and click on it, and let's make it, and this is sometimes I wish laser engravers could do a little more than just laser engraving. You could really make some unique colors with this. So we've got this color. I'm going to left click, take away the outline. I'm going to make it quite a bit smaller and zoom in here. Control D and make a duplicate of it and rotate it. And what the advantage of this, you have your rotation. So let's rotate it something divisible by 360, so I'm going to say 20. You know what? Let's try 10. Control D. Look at, somehow Corel does that sometimes. So go 50. I actually think it's my computer. I can't blame it on Corel. I think the computer can't handle because there's a lot going on with this pattern. And somehow I think I got a little bit off. I mean, I did. Look at that pattern. That, when it engraves, is going to look like a dome effect. And I totally messed that up, so let's back up here. I really want to see what it looks like. Control D and make a duplicate. 50. Yeah, I'm off right there. Let's back up a little bit more. Let's go right here. Tell you what, let's start all over. You know, somebody said one time they enjoy my videos for all the bloopers. Because a lot of people would start over. Well, everybody makes mistakes, and I'm not necessarily sure I'm making a mistake. It's just I'm going a little bit too fast for my little laptop to keep up. And if you don't think that's going to engrave good, I can't wait to get out of the shop. This is going to look like a bowl. This is going to look like a ridge. And then, of course, with this light tint, I would put an outline around it and make it a little thicker to give in scale with object, to give your drawing a little bit of depth, because this is going to burn really deep and then it's going to go light. So in the next several days, I will engrave this one, and I will keep you posted. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.